In the public health industry, preventable medication errors and missed follow-ups cause real harm to patients, not because the coordinators are careless, but because one person might have to manage hundreds of patients with no way to manually check every medication and every referral. CareNav closes that gap. It's an AI agent that is built with Claude's tool use API running inside Slack itself. When I run the scan command, CareNav checks my entire patient panel against MongoDB, and as you can see, it has returned me 9 patients that need attention immediately. Let's check Maria Santos. So what's happening here is not just a simple database lookup. I gave Claude 4 tools, and those tools are to get the patient, check if there's any serious drug interactions, and also check any interactions. But I never told it the order in which the tools have to be used. Right now, it's running what's called an agent loop. It calls the tool, gets the results back, decides what it needs based on that result, and it calls the next tool. It keeps doing that on its own until it has enough information about what's there to actually reason about a case. Here's what it found. Metformin is contradicted for this patient. Her kidneys function is stage 4, and at that stage, metformin can cause a dangerous complication called lactic acidosis. I sourced this directly from FDA's drug label, and Claude found it and applied it correctly to her case. It also caught a referral to a kidney specialist that has been sitting untouched for almost 2 years. Also, I built a natural language layer such that the care workers don't have to memorize every command. CareNav read that sentence, it understood the intention behind it, and it's showing me exactly what it plans to do next. So when I click confirm update, it directly updates the MongoDB and schedules the referral to the specialist. As you can see, the referral warning is now gone, but the drug interaction is still flagged. It evaluates each issue independently, and it doesn't just clear everything at once. So as a public health worker, I inform CareNav that the medication has been discontinued after the appointment with the nephrology specialist. CareNav understands this and marks the medication as discontinued directly in the patient records. And as you can see, the critical flag is gone, and this care plan has RTS enabled. Before the agent even started analyzing the patient, it automatically searched Slack workspace for any messages mentioning Maria Santos using Slack's real-time search API. That's how it found out our earlier conversation without me pointing it there. And notice the recommendation. Since metformin was just stopped, it's now suggesting a replacement diabetes medication and lab monitoring. This wasn't one of my 4 tools. Claude reasoned that to conclude from our updated data. One more thing that matters is that every appointment with the physician and every update regarding the patient is logged. As you can see, you can view the full history of the patient, and also you can generate a patient record with every update that has happened in a beautiful UI. And this is CareNav. It's catching dangerous care gaps before the patient face any harm, built right where the care teams already work in Slack.